thought I'd take you guys outside tonight because, first of all, this place is amazing. I'm in Tennessee. I love Tennessee. It's beautiful. The weather has been perfect. The smells, the waterfalls. I don't know if you can hear them in the background. I don't know because I'm using my microphone, so hopefully you can hear me, but also maybe hear the waterfalls in the background. Anyway, so I thought I would just film this outside because it's just a lovely night. I promise you, this is the best banana pudding you will ever have in your life. It has a secret ingredient that I think will surprise you, but that secret ingredient is what makes it so delicious. If you've ever struggled to make banana pudding the way your Mimi makes it, I am here for you, and I promise you will not be disappointed. Now, I just want to say that if your Mimi makes banana pudding completely from scratch, that is not this. The only thing that really matters is that it tastes delicious and it makes your family smile, right? So you're welcome in advance. I prefer to make whipped cream from scratch without the sugar for this because it's just so creamy and yummy, but the original recipe calls for 8 ounces of Cool Whip, so whatever you prefer here is fine. I leave the sugar out of the whipped cream because it's plenty sweet without it. You need 3 cups of whole milk and 2 small boxes of instant vanilla pudding. You don't need artificial banana flavored pudding mix. The real bananas give incredible banana flavor. And you're just gonna mix that together until combined and set it aside. And this, my friends, is the secret ingredient. 1 cup of Daisy sour cream. If you don't use Daisy and this isn't the best banana pudding you've ever had, it's because you didn't use Daisy. Now you're going to add the whipped cream and the pudding. I like to use my hand mixer because it makes the pudding mixture so fluffy and smooth, but you can just use a rubber spatula to combine it. This recipe calls for 6 bananas, but I was able to get away with using just 5 because that's all I had. Now it's time to layer everything up. So you're going to start with a layer of vanilla wafers, then sliced bananas, and then the pudding mixture. Depending on what size dish you have, you'll need at least 1 1/4 boxes of vanilla wafers. I'm using a 13 by 9 pan. Now crumble up some vanilla wafers for the top, and you could add some sliced bananas to make it look prettier if you want. If you made this recipe, tag me on Instagram. I love hearing from you guys, and I would love to know what you think of this recipe. Okay, get ready. You got a spoonful there? That's a tiny spoonful. You don't want people to see you open your mouth. Like the fish tacos. I won't do that to you again. All right, now the taste test. No, shit, stop. That stupid fly got in there. Okay, ready? All right, now the taste test. Is it good?
Just like my Mimi makes.
I don't have to say anything dumb. You don't have a Mimi? Just like your mommy makes?